Good morning, traders. This is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Welcome to today's daily market briefing. Now, we've managed to make it all the way to Wednesday so far, July 2nd, 2014. A short market event day in the market, but we have several things here that need to be brought to light in order to talk a little bit about really what's happening tomorrow and NFP day and the entire cluster of things that are going to be taking volatility to a whole new level this quarter. First of all, today we had the ADP non-farm employment change. It is set to be forecasted from 179K to 207K. That is a very nice increase, and I would very much like to see that. There has been some supporting evidence recently in the news that the American industrial market, which is obviously one of the larger sectors of employment for the United States, has been having a hiring spree that is going to probably be one of the larger ones in 15 years. Now, there was not a lot of specification as to how that's going to play in specifically to this NFP, but if you have a record hiring spree like that, I'm sure it's going to be able to bring numbers up. Now, as far as I can tell here, the overall non-farm employment has not been reforecasted, but the fact that it is just a little low right now, which is a little bit contrast to their usual gaps in the forecast versus the previous, might also be telling us that they may intentionally not be changing the forecast now in order to generate more sentiment if the market announcement comes out positive. Now, we just had the construction PMI for the GBP, came out positive. Pound is doing very well in the last couple of months. It's really brought itself out of the slump, and it started making good improvements on its strength, and the rallies are becoming more consistent. They are not just failing off afterwards. People aren't just selling the currency right after it rises, so there is strength. This is something that you can definitely look at taking up for end of week. Not end of month yet. We're a little too early right now to make any overall accurate forecast for that at this point, but as far as I can see, it should be very easy for going up towards the end of the week against things like the yen and against things like the euro as well. Now, on that note, we have the ECB meetings tomorrow, the press conference for the European Central Bank, so keep an eye on that. There will be a lot of talk about Euro's future and the overall plan by President Draghi towards the stimulus for the Eurozone and the embattled countries that are currently in a large amount of debt. Other than those two major announcements today, we have obviously the Federal Chair Yellen is speaking. This is going to be another big mover for the United States. Guys, to talk about what's happening today and tomorrow, you're going to have a lot to work with just with the US dollar. You could get up just for that and make tons of money by itself. And what you're seeing here at 4 p.m. GMT and then obviously tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. GMT are going to generate some of the larger amounts of volume and volatility on the market that you're going to see maybe even this year. So keep your eyes open. We're going to be coming back obviously tomorrow with another daily market briefing that will talk directly about the NFP, but as far as I can tell now, both are looking to come out very positive. So keep your eyes open, keep reading, keep your attention to the news as well until all this comes out, and then we're going to start seeing how things are going to play out for tomorrow. Well, anyway, guys, that's all I had for today's daily market briefing. Thanks so much for listening in. Don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom of the page to stick with us Monday through Thursday at 9 a.m. GMT. Anyway, this is Rick Majors here from Opteck.com, wishing you all a happy trading day.